Hi, this is Sasa Zhang. In this video, I'm going to show you a game that I created on PowerPoint for my Hmong class. There we don't have a lot of games, or we don't have we have almost nothing to for our students to help build language, to help with just some fun things to learn the language. And so I decided to create this on PowerPoint. And this PowerPoint uses a lot of macros and a lot of coding in it. So that is for a whole nother video. So let me just show you the game that I created. The unit for this game was actually created for our clothing unit for our creative curriculum. So this is all Hmong clothes, a dress-up game for the kids to play. So let's get started. And as you can see, right here is for girls and right here is for boys. So let's go to the girls first. Here's my little avatar for my little girl and all her clothes right here. As you can see, she's limited in clothing, but this is what we have to work with for now. So let me just dress her up in a shirt, a skirt, whatever I click on, she can wear. So then let me give her an apron, a sash, jewelry, and a hat. And that's her outfit. And then when I'm done with her and I want to give her a whole new outfit, I'm just going to simply go down here to erase. And I'm just going to give her a whole new outfit. And maybe this time I'll give her pants and a new shade and a hat and jewelry and a sash. And ta-da! My little girl has an outfit to wear. So let me go back and I'm going to go to the little boy section now. So my little boy avatar, he can wear a white shirt, a vest. I'll give him some pants and a sash with his jewelry and a hat. And then if I'm done, I'm going to start all over again. I'm going to give him an outfit. This one for now with pants, sash, hat, and jewelry. Yeah, and then I'm going to keep on dressing him up just with different kinds of clothing. And yep. So if you have any ideas on what else I can create, please let me know in the comments below. But other than that, then I am all done with this video. And please like and share, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos and other ideas that I come up with that I can show you. Thank you.